Hey Gems, I will be sharing a few days in my life.
Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger, and I'm here with this beautiful scenery. And I hope you guys are enjoying your spring and enjoying just all the vibes. I'm having a wonderful Saturday morning with my sister, and I'm so grateful. It's so beautiful. Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday morning. I'm here at IHOP with my sister and we're about to have some breakfast. What do you guys usually get when you go to IHOP? Let me know in the comments. See, I think I'm just gonna get the regular this one, steak and eggs, or maybe I'll just get pancakes and bacon. I had to capture a video of this. I love to see flowers and the breeze going through the flowers. It's just one of my favorite things. What about you guys? Do you love to see the flowers swaying in the wind? It's one of my reasons why I love the spring so much. Went to the movies. That's new. I saw the movie Michael with my family and we were dancing and having such a good time. I would give this the highest rating, 4 out of 4 stars.
print. What do you guys think? Does this look like a Hawaiian print? It is, in my opinion. And I got this for $4, top also for $4, so $8 outfit of the day.
I will assert myself. I will be strong. I will be confident. I will hold my head up. I will do my best. I will love myself. I will be happy. Today I will wake up. I will rise up and do my best. Today I will have peace. Today I will love myself. I will be confident. I will assert myself and do the best that I can, unapologetically. Channel member shout out. Always that girl. Love baby. Leticia's third eye point of view. Dave's Adventures. Boss Life Online. First Lady 01. Cruise Life 22. Z Unpacking Life. Tasha T. Nate the Great Podcast 2.0. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. Kicking It with the Rooks, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, iHunter_Killer1, MBK Lara Boss Killer, Just Call Me Sammy 33, Global Empire ENT Media.
Let me take you out to eat.